The term full coverage is a little misleading. No auto insurance policy actually offers 100% coverage in all situations. However, there are great coverage options to help you get better protection for you and your car. In most cases, when someone talks about full coverage auto insurance, they really mean liability and any other mandatory coverages, as well as the optional comprehensive and collision protection. For instance, liability coverage is mandatory in almost all states. It covers damages or injuries you cause to another vehicle or person, up to a certain limit. If you want to protect your own vehicle, you'll want to purchase comprehensive and collision coverages. These are the coverages that protect your vehicle. These coverages may be mandated by your lender or lease company. They pay for damage to your vehicle caused by other people, or events that are out of your control. Now, you're wondering about the price, right? Well, as you might imagine, a policy with only liability coverage will cost you less, while a policy with liability, plus comprehensive and collision coverages will be more expensive. The thing is, when you buy all three, you'll have much more protection. The premium you'll pay will depend on how much liability limit you select, the deductible you choose, and any discounts you may qualify for. All these factor into the premium you'll pay. If you want to discuss what coverage is right for you, you can start a quote online, or call to talk with an agent.